Welcome back to another video. Today we will talk about some integrals and let's start right into it. So the first integral is the integral of x over x to the second power plus 2. And the first thing is note that if you have the integral of a function, of the derivative of a function f prime of x over x dx, you will get the ln of absolute value of f of x plus c. So we have to reform the integral. So if we take the derivative of x squared plus 1, we will get 2x, and we want the integral in the form f prime of x over f of x. So we write the integral of 2x over x squared plus 1 dx. Now we have a different integral, so we put a 1/2 times the integral. So this and this will cancel out, and now we have the form f prime of x over f of x. So we will get, don't forget the 1/2 times the ln of, this is our f of x, times absolute value of x squared plus 1 plus c. We don't actually have to use the absolute value because x squared plus 1 is always positive. Now to the second integral. The second integral is pretty standard, so you just have to remember one or two things. So if you integrate the function 1 over x dx, you will get the ln of absolute value of x plus c. Remember. And the second one you can remember. So if you integrate the square root of x dx, you will get 2/3 times x to the 3 over 2 plus c. This is because you can rewrite the square root of x as x to the 1/2 power. And now when you integrate, you just apply your rules. So you add 1 to the exponent and divide it by the new exponent. So that's 1 over 1.5, and 1.5 is 3/3. X to the 1/2 plus 1 is 1.5, so 3/2. And this is, if you have 1 over 3 over 2, this is just 2 over 3. So this will become 2 over 3. And that's just this. So now you can just apply what we have talked about. So 1 over x becomes ln of absolute value of x minus 2 over 3 times x to the 3 over 2 plus c. You can also rewrite it as ln of x minus 2 over 3 the square root of x to the 3rd plus c, that's the same. And now we're moving to the last integral. So here is, you can also apply a rule. Note that if you have the integral of f prime of x times e to the f of x dx, you will get e to the f of x plus c. So you want the integral in this form, but if we are differentiating negative x to the 4th plus 1, we will get negative 4x to the 3rd. And this is clearly not the same as that. So we have to manipulate the integral a bit. So we rewrite it as negative 4x to the 3rd e to the negative x to the 4th plus 1 dx. But as above, we have to put things together so we don't change the integral itself. So we have to multiply by negative 3 over 4. So this integral will become negative 3 over 4 times e to the negative x to the 4th power plus 1 plus c. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.